Hello students, in this video we'll be discussing about the solution of question number 7b exercise 3.2, okay, from chapter Logarithm of class 9. Okay, here in 7b the question, if you see the textbook, the question is given in the textbook. We are asked to find out the number of zeros. Okay, the number of zeros. If we calculate this one, 3 to the power minus 20, the number of zeros lie, okay, between the decimal point and the first non-zero digit. Suppose if we have a number like this, 0.000856, suppose this is a value, a decimal value. Okay, so how many zeros are there between the decimal point and the first non-zero digit? We can see 1, 2, 3. So we have to find out this number of zeros. Okay, when we calculate this 3 to the power minus 20, obviously there will be zeros, but how many, that we don't know. We have to calculate. So calculating this in a manual way will be a little tedious job. So what do we do to make it easy? We can use logarithm. So what do? We assume this given value as an x, and as we have done in number 6 also, we use the law of log and we calculate and see what we get the result. Okay, the result, ultimate results we get is 10 bar 0.45760. Do not subtract here. Okay, 10 bar 0.45760. so this number of zeros depends on what I will say is this value we call characteristic, like we have seen in number 6 also, characteristics. Since the characteristic is 10 bar, okay, the number of zeros will be 1 less. That means 10, the number of zeros will be 1 less. Between decimal and non-zero digit, the number of zeros will be 1 less. That is 10 minus 1, 9. Okay, if you find any doubt in this, you can ask. Okay, in a similar way, here is one more question, number 3, 7b, number 3. 1 by 3 to the power 1000. We assume this is the same x. We calculate. Okay, log 3 is 4.47712. We get how much? The ultimate 478 bar 0.88. Okay, this addition subtraction that you can easily understand. Okay, and the rest of the steps and the usage of law of log. Then here also you can see 478 bar. That means the characteristic is 478. So the number of zeros will be 1 less, 477. So in case you find out the number of digits in an exponential value, okay, positive exponential value, we have to write one more than the characteristic. To find out the number of zeros, okay, to find out the number of zeros, here we have the number 6. So you can see number 7 itself, it is when we are asked to find out the number of digits in 2 to the power 100, we have got characteristic 30. So number of digits is 30 plus 1, 31. In 7b, when we are asked to find out the number of zeros, we can see the characteristic is 478. So it is 477. Here 10, so it is 9. Okay, so just remember this question may come for 1, maximum 2 mark. Okay, but you need to know just the technique, how to solve and find out the result. Okay, then we have one more here, number 5, from the same question. To find out the number of digits in this, we do the same. We assume the given question is x, use the law of log in the rest of the calculation. Okay, ultimately we get log x equal to 56 bar 0.08240. So we see 56, that means number of zeros will be 55. Okay, so I've written directly here, and this calculation part you just can see. Okay, this is very easy, multiplication, addition or subtraction, and the usage of law of log. Okay, these things only you have to be a little careful in this calculation only, the rest you will get. Okay, so that's all from this video. Okay, if you find any doubt, you can write your doubts in the comment section below. Okay, thank you.